Try this with bourbon and you got a Kentucky Mule. Say less. Jake!
So last week, we did the Moscow Mule. This week, we're doing something called a Kentucky Mule, which I never knew existed, and it includes my favorite drink, bourbon. Shouts out to Jason Smith down in the comments of the Moscow Mule video. He said that if I added the bourbon, turns it into a Kentucky Mule. So we gonna do it. Oh, we gonna do that. So, as y'all know, it's Martini Monday. So let's get into this real simple. Let's go over the ingredients real quick. All right, family. So first off, we have the ginger beer. Now, this is different from the one I used last week. I did have it in the pantry and did not know it, so I found it. So we're gonna try this one out, see what this one does. Of course, have our bourbon, Maker's Mark. Now it's almost empty because I poured it into my nice crystal hand-blown decanter here, the nice one that I have here, as you can see. Now we have some limes, and we got our jigger, we got our mixing spoon, and we also have a muddler. Why do we have a muddler? Well, so also in the comments, shouts out to JR in the comments, he told me that I should muddle the limes first. So on this one, we're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's get started. We'll just go ahead and drop these limes off in here. Give it a nice little muddle. Get that juice out of there. All right. So now let's go ahead and get the ice ready. And this muddler can also be used to crack open some ice or to crack some ice. All right. And again, remember, use some store-bought ice, folks. You don't want the ice that's in your freezer. And also, rule number one to a good cocktail is putting enough ice in there. All right. So we got that full. We'll go ahead and open this ginger beer real quick. We'll go ahead, and if you watched the Moscow Mule, you know, since this is a big cup, we're gonna use 3 ounces of bourbon. So there's 1.5 ounces. There's another 1.5 ounces, and no, I ain't gonna overdo it. I'll leave it for now. So we'll go ahead in with the ginger beer. Let's get this bad boy a nice little stir. Man, I can't wait to taste this. I hope it's good. All right. So now that we have that all out of the way, That's gonna get me in trouble. Yeah, that's, man. Wow. Hey, listen, man, this is really good. So, man, thanks, brother. Mr. Smith, you a champ. I see you. Thank you for commenting and putting me up on this old Kentucky Mule, man. I really like it. I really enjoy it. And JR, the muddling does help. Does ease it a little bit, makes it more easier to put together. So I appreciate the comments down in the comments section on the Moscow Mule. So tell me, did you enjoy this one? Was this one good? It's delicious. You know, I'm a bourbon guy, so this is very delicious. So that's it for this episode of Yes Chef. Now, if you got value out of everything you just saw here, go ahead and smash that like button. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to be a part of this family. Now, if you want to stay up to date on everything that we're doing on this channel, go ahead and smash that notification bell. That'll keep you up to date on every video that we come out with. So family, until the next time, until the very next video, as always, family, cheers.